Connecting a Bluetooth device to your Amazon Fire TV Cube is quick and easy. Whether you are trying to pair Bluetooth headphones, speakers, earbuds, the setup only takes a few minutes. So let's see the process. So first you have to grab your Fire TV remote and open settings. Now go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, then select other Bluetooth device and choose add Bluetooth devices. So now your Fire TV Cube will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now put your device into pairing mode. Most devices have a dedicated pairing button, but the exact steps may vary depending on the device you are using. Once your device is in pairing mode, wait for it to appear on the screen. So when you see it, just go for it and give it a few moments to connect. After the pairing is complete, you will see a confirmation message and your Bluetooth device should start working right away. And now you can enjoy your Bluetooth speaker, headphones, or earbuds to your Fire TV Cube and control the volume using your Fire TV Cube remote. And that's it. We hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till end.